Hi there, welcome back to another video from WordPress. Valerie's here, and in today's video we'll take a closer look at the latest update of the Prime FSE theme version 1.1.1. Prime FSE is our free WordPress blog starter theme for business websites, freelancers, startups, agencies, or any type of project that you deliver. And this particular update was aimed at extending customization options with a collection of brand new patterns created with the core WordPress blocks and 5 preset color schemes. Excited? Me too. But before moving to the most interesting part of this video, I want to remind you, if you're new here, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notifications. We're constantly posting new tutorials on YouTube dedicated to our products and their updates and new cool features. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First things first, we're going to start our overview with the definition of patterns. To put it simply, patterns belong to the reusable content type and help users speed up template and page creation. They can be a single block or a group of blocks, and they are used to create reusable layout elements and page sections. They can also be part of a template part, or even nested inside other parts. You're free to make updates to them and save your precious time, since you don't have to design everything from scratch. And if you're looking for more detailed information about patterns, I suggest you watch a great video on our channel dedicated to patterns. On top of that, we have a whole playlist dealing with block themes and full site editing, so please keep this in mind too. Now let's have a look at some of the new patterns. Accessing a collection of Prime FSE patterns can be done through the block editor and site editor. And I'll show you both scenarios. To get access to patterns via block editor, you should open up a new page or post, or you can just edit the existing page or post you already have on your site. I'll choose the second option, as I want to show you that this whole page is made of patterns. So it will take less than a minute to recreate this look. Working with patterns is super time saving. And now I want to click this inserter button in the upper left corner of your site's toolbar, and as you can see, there are now 3 tabs at the top of the inserter. So we click on the Patterns tab, and this opens up a bunch of patterns for us, and they are all organized into different categories. All Prime FSC patterns are kept here under their own category, and you need to scroll down to see all of them. It will be even more convenient for you if you click on Explore All Patterns to see large previews of the designs and search for the needed patterns. But remember that it's not possible to edit, create, or delete patterns from this screen. So after previewing, you can add any pattern from here by clicking on the needed one, and you're good to go. And after this, you're free to make any kind of edits you might want. As an example, I make slight changes, and then if you like the result, you can even save this item to apply later, thus creating a brand new pattern that will be saved in the My Patterns category. Also, you can make your pattern synced or non-synced. Alternatively, you can also manage your patterns using Site Editor. To find patterns, first we go to Appearance Editor and wait a little bit for the editor to load, and then we click on Patterns. You can also choose between different pattern categories in the site editor sidebar, but today we're focusing on Prime FSE. The site editor interface also offers us previews of patterns. Please pay attention that the themes patterns are locked, so we cannot edit them. We cannot edit patterns from themes and plugins directly because they're not saved in the WordPress database. And essentially, it helps to preserve a design. And remember, even if a pattern is locked down, it doesn't hamper the ability to edit the pattern and make it your own. So there is a great workaround for this. And you can click on the three dots button and click duplicate to create an editable copy of that pattern. And this copy will be listed under My Patterns, for example, like this one. And after this, you can edit this pattern easily by clicking on the pencil icon. So now let's take a closer look at the patterns that Prime FSE offer. There are a few minimalist and multi-block sections with prominent calls to action. A more complex design allows you to build a diverse and more informative content presentation, or on the contrary, the minimalist ones helps you concentrate visitors on a single message. And next come patterns created especially for a career page, and they're dedicated to showcasing current employment opportunities. If you're looking for inspiration to enhance your Contact Us page, check out items the theme offers. And listings and features sections include solutions like features and offering listings, job boards, or career listings. And pattern combination include designs with images, custom backgrounds, and columned layouts. And there are also a few footer variations to help you create a simple or complex footer with the help of a single pattern. The same with headers. Multi-element purpose hero sections are usually a difficult thing to create manually, but with Prime FSE, we've got you covered. With Prime FSE, you get several variations for hero sections that you can insert in just one click, and you have a great collection of images with texts at your disposal too. And for dynamic content creation, we offer a range of blog post display options so that you can embed engaging post snippets on any page on your site. Alternatively, there is a pattern for simplified layout without images for the latest posts as well. A partners list, performance, and pricing patterns are also included. Prime FSC theme comes with up to 10 patterns for the seamless creation of the team and portfolio pages, with bigger and smaller images for some members, testimonials in the form of a slider or static blocks, and a few other people-focused patterns. The default color scheme of Prime FSC uses a color palette of blue and white, which can surely serve a variety of needs and at the same time creates a sense of clearness and simplicity. Since Prime FSE version 1.1.1. We've added, however, even more preset color schemes to help you find a better visual match faster. And let's check out them together. For this, we go to Appearance, Editor, Styles. Apart from the default color scheme, we can try options like lavender, pale gray, sage, and sky blue. And since WordPress 6.2, we can use such a feature like a style book, and it allows users to visualize and preview how global style changes will affect both core and third-party blogs, and makes it easier to answer the question, how are these styles going to look with my blogs and overall look and feel of the theme. And it is especially useful when a theme has many style variations, and the style book is a bit like a global styles manager, and with its help you can actually see the changes you're making in real time. So please choose a color scheme you find suitable. So, to wrap things up, theme customization isn't just about making your website look stylish and attractive, it's more about aligning your digital presence with your brand's identity and goals. And the new patterns of the FSC Prime theme are meant to emphasize them. New patterns will make your website shine and achieve your online objectives. The same with the new color schemes. So don't settle for the default. Customize your theme's layout and styles and reap the rewards of a unique and effective online presence like improved branding and functionality, better SEO, and user experience. So hurry up to update your Prime FSC theme to the latest version to get access to the new collection of patterns and color schemes. And if you already had a chance to apply them on your site, let us know what you think about the update and share your feedback or suggestions with us by writing your comments in the comment section of this video. I hope you found this video useful. If so, don't forget to like it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care